Hello and welcome to Education at SSBJ online video tutorial. Right in front of you, I have few things. This you must have seen already in various shapes. This is a battery. You must have seen a small battery available which you use it for torch, but this is bit a bigger size, right? This gives more of current. And how much of voltage it gives? It gives about 12 volts of current, right? Like our home electric circuit will have 230 volts of current, whereas this is of 12 volts. But both are different. This current is called direct current, and the one which we use it at home is called alternate current. So direct current is DC current, called as DC current. This gives DC current, and alternate current is AC current. Now the experiment which I am going to show you to be done with DC current. This is what the precaution you have to take. Never do this experiment at home using your alternate current. Right? So this is first to be considered. Right? And I have, bit thermocol balls which I am going to keep it just right on this. It is not compulsory that I should keep it on the battery here. Since the battery is too heavy, let me not move this now during this video tutorial. I'll just keep this here right now. And I have a thin plastic paper here, okay? And then, you can take a scale, as well as I don't have scale nearby now, I'm taking my pen. Right. So the first demonstration which I am going to show you is that I am going to rub this end of the pen with this plastic paper. I'll rub it for some time. This experiment is not that dangerous experiment. You can do it and try with various materials available in your house. Right? Now I am doing it for a while now, and then I'll bring it near to the thermocol balls. Look at this. They come and sometimes they stick also. They come very close. Okay. This you must have done and even played many times in your junior classes. Let me show it again. Look at this. Now this is stick to the pen nettle. Right? Now, a question is, what is happening? What is the reason? Remember, in physics or in science, every phenomena to be properly learnt, and properly learnt meaning how and why of this, the reason behind it. Right? Now, this is what the question which I am just keeping in front of you. Why do they behave like this? Right? Now let me try to create a curiosity in you to begin with a new chapter in physics. Okay? So remember, what is the question now? The question is that when we rub this pen with the plastic and then bring it near to this, you find that these thermocol balls start moving towards it. They really attract it towards the pen. Now the next experiment is carefully to be done. I am just connecting the positive terminal and negative terminal to the wire, right? Now how much of voltage is there here? 12 volt. And what kind of electricity is this? It's a direct current, DC, okay? And what is the DC and what is AC, all that you will learn in class 10th. Okay. Now just you understand that whatever current which we get from this type of batteries, even small cells, is a DC current. Now working with DC current is of less danger. But even then, if the voltage is more, then you have to be very careful. Right? Now, if I connect this to a bulb, and bulb will glow. Positive and negative. Right? Now let me not connect this to a bulb. Right? Now please don't do this at your level using your alternate current. Right? So this is positive terminal, this is a negative terminal. I am going to bring this closer. Look at this. Wow. You got a kind of spark, right? And this is what exactly is a kind of lightning. We can connect this demonstration to the occurrence of lightning as a natural phenomenon. Right? So we have to begin with a new lesson, some natural phenomena. Right? And we shall see there that why these thermocoals are being attracted towards a pen when this pen is rubbed with the plastic paper. And why is that spark? Well, first of all, to understand the reasons behind the demonstrations which we have already conducted, we need to understand about the structure of atom, right? Structure of atom. We know atom is a smallest particle of a matter. And what is matter? A matter is anything which has weight and which occupies space, right? Everything around us is matter, including air. This is what we have studied. All gas, solids and liquids, all these are matter. Now, the small particle of this matter is called atom. Well, this is not the only smallest. Within the atom, there are few more smaller particles than atom, right? And they are proton, neutron and electron. So just remember this, we'll not go detail into it. At our level, that is to the level of class 8th, we need to understand atom is the smallest particle and of a matter, and atom is made of few basic particles, main particles. Okay, you will study more than this in future classes, but at our level we need to know about proton, neutron and electron. So let us have a brief idea of how they arrange in the atom. Okay, atom consists of proton and neutron in the center, you know. Now if I can just make P for proton, so you will find P and N for neutron. So there are P and N so close to each other at the center of the atom. I can write another P here, another. So it's kind of a 3D picture which you are looking at in the way of 2D, right? So again neutron. So I can again draw proton and then neutron and then proton, then neutron. They are very close to each other. So this is the way at the center now. Okay. So this will be a center of an atom, right? So this part is called nucleus. And around this, much smaller particles called electrons will be revolving. So I can show you here few electrons. Some are very close, some are far away, some are E stands for electrons, some are little far away. They all moving, revolving around like this. So each of the electrons will be revolving around. They have got their own path, like how the planets are revolving around the sun. Okay, so we have studied that planets, okay, from Mercury onwards, they all revolve around the sun. In the same way, the electrons will revolve around the nucleus. We shall close this tutorial here. What you have seen is a demonstration followed by the structure of atom. We'll continue the structure of atom in future videos and try to answer the natural phenomena such as lightning. See you in the next video tutorial. Thank you very much.